This has been one of the most heated rivalries we've ever seen. Bret and Shawn are just so diametrically opposite. I don't think there's any way they could ever coexist peacefully.
It's really a matter of pride versus arrogance, and each of them are guilty of both. You can literally feel how much tension there is in the air here in Montreal.
It's been rumored that if he loses here tonight, this might be Bret's last match in the WWE. That just adds to how much is on the line here.
Whipped over in a snap suplex.
This Canadian biased crowd continues to let Shawn Michaels know what they think about it.
Blast off!
Diving leg drop from the top rope.
He's climbing right back up there. Wants to finish this.
Taking flight. Oof! Consecutive high-risk maneuvers, and the pace of this match has certainly picked up.
Uh-oh. Counters. And Michaels needed that badly.
Could be the table turner Shawn desperately needed. He's locked him up.
Belly to belly.
Hitman laying it into Shawn. Wants to always keep Shawn close, keep him grounded. That's pivotal for the champ tonight.
Just a surgical approach we're seeing from Hart.
Hitman proving he's done his homework on HBK right here. And we all know how good these two men are in the ring. You can argue two of the best to ever do it. But tonight, I don't think either man cares about showing off technical skill. These two just want to fight.
When it's gotten to this level, when it has become so personal, there is nothing else to expect. All that is left is a down and dirty fight between two guys that hate each other's guts. I can't think...
They're not suitable at a bar either, Wade.
Oh, no, not at all. You'll have quite the ruckus at the pub using the names Bret and Shawn have called each other.
He gets sent straight down to the floor. Heading out, but needs to be aware of the referee's count.
Beautiful side Russian leg sweep. This can only be bad for him.
And Bret gets countered.
One reversal after another. These two are reading each other's minds. Delivers the suplex.
And the Hitman continues to deliver irreparable damage onto Michaels.
Ooh, nice Russian leg sweep. And in these situations, it's hard to not get desperate, to start going for Hail Mary plays.
He's really pushing the limit here, getting close to a count out. And he tosses him back in now. This personal rivalry goes so far back. You can see the seeds of it when they were both tag team competitors, part of the Hart Foundation and the Rockers. Each man becoming breakout stars and leaders of...
Cross body! His body has been the main focus of a lot of offense tonight.
Yeah, I think he...
Chopping down the tree right at the...
The Hitman now looking to take whatever advantage he can. And that apparently includes the ring post with a figure-four leglock assisted by the steel.
The ring post figure-four leglock applied.
Lands the cross body. Figure-four. Leg lock. All kinds of pressure and pain. And he's releasing the hold. I guess he might have something else in mind here.
Pow, what a shot.
And to speak on the elephant in the room, yes, there's been a lot of speculation that if Bret Hart loses this...
The excellence of execution, looking to cinch it in. Can he turn his opponent over? Yes.
Makes it to the ropes, and the hold must be broken.
Nice Russian leg sweep. Hitman with an opening.
Brought down with a DDT. Russian leg sweep.
What's this? He's going back up again.
Bret hoping to goad his opponent into a costly mistake.
And Bret on the top rope with the referee knocked down, guys.
Well, took down Shawn Michaels, but accidentally took down the ref in the process. And at this point, all bets are off.
Michaels to the eyes of the Hitman. Shawn taking advantage of the referee's state at the moment. But what is HBK thinking now? Oh,
and now looking for a sharpshooter. Bret Hart's own move. Shawn Michaels trying to turn him on his belly.
And the referee dropped once again as Bret kicked Michaels away.
And another ref's in.
What is going on here?
I guess we're not going to get a screw job tonight, Wade.
Quick takedown.
Knee to the gut. A clash of counters, and these two...
Nice takedown. Gonna step through into the vintage sharpshooter from Bret Hart. And for some reason, he just broke his own submission hold. Discus clothesline.
Decapitating.
Bret lining him up from the top turnbuckle.
Look out! Diving leg drop from way up high. Going right into the pin attempt.
2 count. Bret retains the title.
You can feel the uncertainty in the air already.
Yeah, who knows what Bret is going to do now?
A lot of questions still unanswered here.